Our bodies are incredible, intricate landscapes built from trillions of cells. These tiny units of life work in harmony, dividing and dying in a carefully choreographed dance. This dance, this balance, is what keeps us alive and functioning. Cancer, however, disrupts this delicate balance. It is not an invasion from the outside, but a rebellion from within. It is our own cells, gone rogue, defying the rules that govern their life cycle. Imagine a single cell, once a loyal subject in the body's grand scheme, suddenly refusing to play by the rules. It begins to divide uncontrollably, ignoring the signals that tell it to stop. This errant cell, multiplying out of control, becomes the seed of a tumor, a mass of rebellious cells that threaten the body's harmony. Cancer, at its core, is a disease of uncontrolled cellular growth, a mutiny within our own cellular ranks. This mutiny is not a random act. It is driven by changes, mutations within the very blueprint of the cell, its DNA. These mutations can be triggered by various factors: exposure to harmful substances, inherited genetic predispositions, or even random errors that occur during cell division. Regardless of the trigger, the result is the same. The cell's internal controls are compromised, and it embarks on a path of uncontrolled growth and expansion. Cell division is a fundamental process in all living organisms. It is the means by which life renews itself, repairs damage, and grows. In a healthy body, cell division is a tightly regulated process, a graceful dance with precise steps. Cells divide when needed, stop when instructed, and eventually die off to maintain a delicate balance. Cancer cells, however, dance to a different tune. They have lost their rhythm, their sense of control. They divide relentlessly, ignoring the signals that tell them to stop. This uncontrolled proliferation leads to the formation of tumors, masses of abnormal cells that crowd out healthy tissue. The hallmark of cancer is this unchecked growth, this disregard for the rules of the cellular dance floor. Cancer cells are not simply dividing faster than normal cells. They are also fundamentally different in their behavior. They lose their specialized functions, reverting to a more primitive state. They become immortal, evading the normal process of programmed cell death. They develop the ability to invade surrounding tissues, breaking free from their designated locations. This aberrant behavior is what makes cancer so dangerous, so difficult to control. One of the most frightening aspects of cancer is its ability to spread, to break free from the original tumor, and establish new outposts throughout the body. This process, called metastasis, is what transforms a localized tumor into a systemic, life-threatening disease. It is the metastatic spread of cancer that makes it so difficult to treat, so challenging to eradicate. Imagine a group of rebellious cells confined within the walls of their original tumor. They have grown strong, their numbers have swelled, but they are still trapped. Then, some of these cells acquire a new, deadly ability, the power to break free. They develop the capacity to invade surrounding tissues, to penetrate the walls of blood vessels, to travel through the bloodstream to distant sites. These cellular escape artists, these pioneers of metastasis, can establish new colonies in far-flung organs, creating secondary tumors that wreak havoc throughout the body. This is why early detection of cancer is so crucial. If a tumor is found and removed before it has metastasized, the chances of successful treatment are greatly increased. Once cancer has spread, the battle becomes much more complex, much more difficult to win. Cancer research is a relentless pursuit, a global effort to understand and conquer this complex disease. Scientists around the world are working tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of cancer, to develop new strategies for prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. The quest for a cure is a long and arduous journey, but each step forward brings us closer to our goal. One of the most promising areas of research is targeted therapy. This approach aims to exploit the specific vulnerabilities of cancer cells, to develop drugs that selectively kill cancerous cells while sparing healthy ones. By targeting the unique molecular features of different cancers, scientists hope to develop more effective, less toxic treatments. Another exciting area of research is immunotherapy, a strategy that harnesses the power of the body's own immune system to fight cancer. Scientists are developing ways to enhance the immune system's ability to recognize and destroy cancer cells, to unleash the body's natural defenses against this internal rebellion. These and other cutting-edge approaches offer hope for a future where cancer is no longer a feared and deadly disease, but a manageable condition that can be effectively controlled.